Hi there, everyone. This is Dr. Pooja Rajgopal from Pune. Today, we'll talk a little about silver diamine fluoride, or the magic liquid or magic solution that we pediatric dentists would like to call it. Why so? We'll find out just in a bit. So, although we pediatric dentists routinely provide dental care for children which they cope with beautifully, sometimes there are situations that may be challenging, especially if the child is very young, like the child may be a toddler or a preschooler who may be 3 or below 3 years of age. And in such situations, we have to choose a treatment option that is not just simple but is directed towards buying some time. That is, we may not be able to provide definitive care at this point of time because the child is very young. At the same time, we need to do something so that the disease does not get worse and we buy some time till the child is older, and then more definitive care can be provided. So it's not just very young children, sometimes even a 4 or a 5 or a 6-year-old child may find a dentistry challenging, or a child who has special needs may land up with dental cavities and may find treatment challenging. But now some of you parents might be wondering, why will a toddler or a baby need to visit a dentist in the first place? But well, yes, dental decay can begin as soon as teeth appear in your baby's mouth, so we need to be watchful right from the beginning. So now, what if we decide not to treat these cavities at all? Because many parents are inherently scared to take their child or their little baby to the dentist. They are like, they won't be comfortable or it will be painful, etc., etc. So if we decide to leave it untreated, also because we may think they're just baby teeth and they're going to fall out, what actually happens is the disease just keeps progressing or getting worse, and then your child may land up in toothache, or the child may not be able to chew very well. The aesthetics get affected when the teeth in the front are decayed, and it may result in infections, swelling, pus, so on and so forth. So this significantly affects the life of the child and also of the family. And not just that, what now happens is when we seek care at a later point, when the disease has progressed, now more invasive treatment may be required. The child may require hospitalization, general anesthesia, and all of this obviously increases the cost or the expenses of the treatment. Enter silver diamine fluoride. So, parents, you don't have to wait to seek dental care even for your little baby when we have such a wonderful liquid in hand. The application of silver diamine fluoride is completely non-invasive, that is, it does not require any injections, it requires no drilling, and is completely painless, because the procedure is that it is simply applied or scrubbed onto the cavity using a brush. So it's also very quick, it is completed within minutes, and by applying this, about 70% of that cavity is just arrested or stopped or paused, and no toxicity or any adverse events have been reported. The only one drawback that silver diamine fluoride has is that it stains or blackens the decayed part. So if the decay looked yellow or brown at first, once we apply this particular liquid, it will turn almost jet black in color. And sometimes what happens is, despite the best precautions taken, a little bit of the liquid may smear, or so it may stain the lip or the skin, sometimes the tongue. But the good part is that when it touches the skin or anything, it is completely reversible. That is, within a period of a week or two, the staining would completely disappear. So, what we need to understand is, the bigger the cavity or the more widespread the decay, that is, if more number of teeth are affected, more of the black will be visible, more black will be seen. So, the two things here to remember are that as soon as we see a cavity, we must take the child to his pediatric dentist so that care can be started early or treatment can be started early, and less plaque would be seen if it needs to be applied. Secondly, even if more black is visible, the advantages or the benefits that we have from this liquid are far more when we compare it to this unaesthetic appearance that may be there for a couple of years, because by applying this gel we prevent the disease from getting worse, we prevent the treatment from getting invasive, so it's only a win-win situation. And the best part is that as soon as the child is a little older and is able to cope better with routine care, we can simply clean out this black staining and place a beautiful white filling there, or place white caps onto the teeth, and voila, the pearly white smile of your child is just back. So although doing a beautiful white filling or placing a cap is a more definitive form of treatment, especially in the long term, sometimes owing to the situation, your child's dentist may choose a treatment option that is practical and at the same time keeping in mind only and only what is in the best interest of your child. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Dr. Pooja Rajgopal and I am a pediatric dentist practicing out of my clinic Smile Stories Junior in Pune. Thank you so much.